So what do you need exactly to set up the Vandal-Proof camera? First, just locate your spot where you want to put this camera. In the box here, you have the sticker mount. You peel up the sticker, you mount it where you want to put the camera. Make sure that it's well sticked in. And next, take your drill and just make a 3-hole in the place where you want to mount your security camera. Voila! Next, take the camera and let's open it up. As you can see here, we have a 3 screw when you need to open them. Let's do it. And there you have it. Make sure that you adjust your camera in the angle, the way how it fits your needs. Before you put the camera here, just take the white tube that comes with the camera and you just try to put it inside here. Next, just take your camera and mount it right here. And take your screwdriver and screw the 3 holes here. 1, 2, and 3. Next, you just put the housing back in the camera. Don't forget to close the camera. Again, we have just 3 screws and you are done. Next, you just plug in your PoE cable and you're good to go. All right, this is how you set up a PoE camera in any place you want. You don't need to think that it's hard or it's a hassle. The only things you need is just 3 screws and 3 holes. If you need anything, want to know about the Reolink Vandal-Proof series, just let me know in the comment section below. Until then, stay safe, stay secure. See you next time.